How to join PlayStation Party on Windows PC. Unfortunately, there's no direct way to join a PlayStation Party directly on your PC without using a workaround method. However, you can utilize PlayStation Remote Play to achieve this functionality. Here's a detailed guide. Requirements *** PlayStation console, PS4 or PS5 turned on or in rest mode. *PC ** meeting the minimum requirements for PS Remote Play, https://www.playstation.com/enus/support/game/PlayStation Remote Play on PC and Mac / high-speed internet connection ** both on your console and PC for a smooth experience. PlayStation account * signed in on both your console and PC. DualShock 4 or compatible controller * for connecting to your PC. Instructions *1. Download and install PlayStation Remote Play on your PC *. Visit the official PlayStation website, https://www.playstation.com/enus/remoteplay/ and download the appropriate version for your PC's operating system. Install the application. 2. Set up Remote Play on your PlayStation console ***. Go to Settings System Remote Play. Enable Remote Play. Note down the PS Remote Play connection code displayed on your screen. 3. Start a remote play session on your PC ***. Launch the PS Remote Play app on your PC. Sign into your PlayStation account. If prompted, enter the PS Remote Play connection code from your console. Click Connect. 4. Join PlayStation Party chat on PC ***. Once the connection is established, you'll see your PlayStation screen displayed on your PC. Navigate to the party menu on your PlayStation using the controller connected to your PC. You can now join existing parties or create a new one. Additional notes ***. You can use your PC's microphone and speakers for voice chat within the party. However, for optimal audio quality, it's recommended to use a headset connected to your controller. While Remote Play allows you to see the PlayStation screen and interact with the console remotely, it's primarily designed for streaming gameplay. The visual quality and responsiveness might not be ideal for other purposes. Explore the settings within the PS Remote Play app on your PC to adjust various options like resolution, frame rate, and audio settings according to your network and PC capabilities. Remember, this method utilizes Remote Play functionalities, and its primary purpose is to stream your console's screen to your PC. While it allows you to participate in voice chat within parties, it's not the same as directly joining a party on your PC.